In this video, I'll show you how to add customer tags to choices in your quiz, so that every time a customer selects a specific answer, that tag is automatically applied to their profile and passed to your connected integrations. First, open your quiz by clicking Customize to access the quiz builder. Next, select a question and click on one of its choices to open the Choice Settings panel. Scroll down to find the Customer Tags section. Here, you'll see a search bar that allows you to either search existing tags or create new ones. To create a new tag, start typing in the search field. For example, if you want to create a tag called Teen, simply type Teen. A new option will appear below. Click it to confirm. You'll now see the tag displayed in gray beneath the search bar, confirming that it has been added to this choice. Now move on to the next choice and repeat the process. You can type to create a new tag, for instance, 30s or 50s. Or you can pick one of the tags you've already created from the drop-down list. You can also add more than one tag to a single choice. For example, for a 50s choice, you could add both 50s and quiz to mark respondents by both age group and quiz source. Continue tagging all your choices this way until you've covered your full quiz. Once you're done, click the Save button at the top right of the screen. Then preview your quiz and submit a test response to verify that the tags are being applied correctly. After completing the quiz, go to your Responses tab, open the latest response, and click Analysis. In the Customer Tags section, you'll see the exact tags that were assigned based on the choices you selected. Finally, these tags aren't just stored within the quiz. They're also sent automatically to any active integrations. For example, if your quiz is connected to Shopify customers, these tags will appear directly on the customer's Shopify profile. If your quiz is connected to Klaviyo, Omnisend, or other supported integrations, the same tags will be included in the contact data synced from the quiz. And that's it. That's how you can add and manage customer tags in your quiz choices, making it easier to segment your customers and personalize follow-up marketing automations across your connected platforms. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.